Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to log in to your Quant Mutual Fund account. First, launch Chrome or any other web browser on your PC. This tutorial will be demonstrated using Chrome. In the Google search bar, type Quant Mutual Fund Login and press Enter. Look for the official Quant Mutual Fund login page in the search results. It's usually the first link that appears, and click on this link to navigate to login page. Once you're on the Quant Mutual Fund website, look for the login button. This is typically found at the top right corner of the home page. On the login page, you'll see fields for your username and password. Enter your username and then your password. Once you've entered and verified your login credentials, click the Submit button. This will log you into your Quant Mutual Fund account, and if your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your account dashboard directly. If you don't have an account yet and want to register, follow these steps. On the login page, look for the New User or Register button and click on it. You'll be redirected to the registration page where you'll need to provide some personal details such as your name, email address, and phone number. Create a username and a password and follow the prompts to complete the registration process, which may include verifying your email also. And once registered, use your new credentials to log in to your Quant Mutual Fund account.